Imagine someone thinking in Portuguese and writing in English. The output is in one language. The inner trajectory, the conceptual route, the inferential commitments, the modal and counterfactual landscape that structure the thought, all of that was organized in another language. So what is lost in that operation, and how would you even measure it? This is not just a translation problem. It is an intentional isomorphism problem in the Carnapian sense. But wait, we will explain that soon. Extension and intention are two technical words, and as such, they are meant to represent things that do not need that much technicity. The non-technical idea is this. The extensional way tracks outcomes. It asks, when does this expression come out true? What does it pick out in the world? Two expressions are equivalent in extensional sense if they land on the same results across cases. The intentional way tracks the root itself. It asks, how does this connect to other thoughts? What inferences does it license? What possibilities does it open or close? Two expressions can match extensionally and still diverge here because they move differently through the space of reasons. Now go back to the bilingual thinker. If the English sentence preserves the same extension, the same truth conditions, the same reference, nothing seems lost from the outside. But intentional structure is another matter. The network of associations, the ease of certain inferences, the salience of alternatives, even what counts as a natural continuation, all of that may shift. And here's the point. There is no simple metric for that loss, because intentional structure is not a list of properties. It is a position in a web. To preserve it would require not just matching outputs, but reproducing the same inferential pressure, the same landscape of nearby possibilities. One might even say that speakers of different languages inhabit slightly different metaphysical orientations, and to fully track those divergences would require a kind of audit no empirical science is equipped to perform. So the question